Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Canon EOS M50 Mark II Content Creator Kit. Packed with features tailored for content creation, this kit is a vlogger's dream. The 24.1 megapixel sensor delivers crisp, high-res 4K and full HD video, while the improved dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures your shots stay sharp. The vari-angle touchscreen is a game-changer for framing those perfect vlogging shots, and the vertical video support suits various social platforms seamlessly. What's impressive is the convenience this kit offers. The EF M50 to 45mm lens is versatile for any situation, and the Canon tripod grip stabilizes your shots effortlessly. The included Bluetooth remote lets you control the camera from a distance, adding a professional touch to your content creation. And let's not forget the audio. The Canon stereo microphone DM-E100 ensures your audio is as crisp as your visuals, even with the included windscreen for outdoor shoots. But here's the kicker. The EOS M50 Mark II doubles as a high-quality webcam for live streams and video conferences. With the free EOS webcam utility software, it's a seamless transition. Overall, if you're serious about vlogging, streaming, or creating top-notch content, this kit's got you covered. It's portable, versatile, and delivers impressive results. Canon's definitely upped their game with the EOS M50 Mark II Content Creator Kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.